What's up? Jason here. In this video, I wanted to answer questions about my new game programming course. I've had quite a few of them, and I thought that a video would be a great way to answer them. First though, if you're not interested in game programming, just hit the thumbs up and skip ahead. This is definitely not for you. So let's start with the first question, and that's, who is this course for? This course is really designed to teach people how to write code, or how to read and write code, and we're going to be doing it in a video game context with Unity 2020. It's for people who maybe are working in the industry as artists or designers, or want to get into game programming or programming in general, just aren't quite sure how to do it, don't really have a plan, or maybe stumbling through trying to get that figured out. Now, if you're a more advanced user, this question's for you, and that's, with this bundle that I'm getting, the intermediate and advanced courses, do I get access to them right now, or do I need to finish the beginner course first? And the answer to that is that you'll get access to them right away, even before the beginner course opens up. The content for those is ready for you to get started, so you don't need to wait. Now, this next question is the one that I get the most often, which is that, hey, I'm really busy, maybe I've got a job or something else, got a family. Can I work at my own speed, or do I have to go at this really fast pace? And the answer to that is, of course you can go at your own speed. We're going to go relatively quick, and I'm going to take you through everything really fast and be there to help you along the way. But if you have to take a break, or you need to just pause and come back in 6 months, I'll still be around to help out, and all of the content will still be there for you. So don't worry about it. You can go at whatever speed you need to go at. You can go as fast as we're going to go, or as slow as you need to take it. I know, hey, life gets in the way. Sometimes things get busy. Don't worry about it at all. This next question doesn't only apply to my game programmer course, but I think to all of my courses, and that's, what's the difference between taking one of your courses and just following your free YouTube content or something else that I find online? The answer to that is structure and a plan. When you join one of these courses, you're going to have a structured plan that's going to take you day by day through what's important to learn and how to learn it the right way. We're going to teach you to learn things the right way the first time so that you don't fall into any bad habits or bad practices. And I'll make sure that you really understand the important things with some reinforced learning patterns around everything that's critical. And if you ever struggle or have problems, I'll be there to support you along the way and help you to make sure that you're not lost and you're not giving up and that you don't fail with this. And of course, at any time, if you decide that this isn't right for you, that, hey, this wasn't the right option, I've got a 1-year refund policy, so there's no risk at all. Just email me, let me know, and I'll send it right back. It's absolutely no problem at all. The last question I wanted to hit was, do you have a syllabus or some sort of a course outline? And the answer to that is yes, and it's getting updated constantly, so just check the link below and you can go check it out yourself. All right, thanks for watching this. Hopefully it was helpful for anybody that was kind of curious about this. I'm going to be doing some new beginner videos and some other advanced intermediate videos over the next week, so keep an eye out on YouTube. Make sure that you subscribe and hit like. And again, thanks everybody for watching. Even if you're not interested in this stuff, just thumbs up button if you don't mind. Appreciate it, and goodbye.